day, sir, we are Group 4 from Ethics and Values class. Before we will start, I introduce myself and my group mates. My name is Mark Clarence Muquillo.
Melody H.P. Diaz.
My name is Mark Manuel Yacat.
Jolar de la Peña.
James Mingoy.
Aldrin Francisco.
In this video, we will apply the categorical Immanuel Kant and imperative in real-life dilemmas.
Here's our chosen situation. De la Peña sees his best friend Aldrin steal food because his family is hungry and needed the items. Later, the police asked De la Peña what he saw. Then De la Peña decides to lie to protect his best friend Aldrin. Our question is lying in the case morally right or wrong, according to Kantian ethics?
Wait, iwan ko na lang yung gamit dito. Iwan na lang guys, kamay na dyan eh. Kailangan tayo ito lang eh. Uy, yung pagkain, nakagamit, mapapakain ko ng pamilya ko. Nagkakawa-tablet. Tara! Sir, magandang hapon po. May re-report lang kami kasi po yung gamit na nilapag namin dyan lang po kanina is na nawala ko po.
May witness ka ba?
Meron po sir itong kaibigan ko. Nakita ko sir kaso sumamukhaan eh. Mabilis po nangyari.
Ganun ba? Hindi mo man lang napansin kung sino yun. To analyze this dilemma, we will use the three formulation of categorical imperative. Number 1, universal stability. If everyone likes to protect others, truth will lose its meaning. Society will break down because no one will be trusted. So lying cannot be a universal moral law. Second, respect for persons. De la Peña is using the police as a tool to protect his friend. That's not respecting them as an individual who deserve the truth. It means treating them as a means, not as an end. Third, autonomy. Lying takes away the ability of others to decide from themselves based on facts. Even his friends lose the chances to learn from the mistake. So, Pedro's lies affect the freedom of others.
But De la Peña's friend was only trying to survive. Isn't it right to lie if it's good for a reason?
According to Kant, even good intention don't make action rights. Its rules break a moral rule. Lying is always wrong because it goes against reason and duty.
In conclusion, De la Peña's action is not morally right based on Kant's categorical imperative. Even if he meant well, lying fails all the three tests: universalizability, respect for person, and autonomy.
Thank you for watching our presentation. I hope you are learned about Immanuel Kant ethics.